Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing loose grout around the trim with a grout saw for 2 to 3 inches. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect eyes and hands from sharp edges. Gather a 2-inch putty knife, a 5-inch flat pry bar, and 120 grit sandpaper. Clear the work area and remove nearby fixtures to avoid accidental damage. Turn off any nearby water to prevent slipping and keep the floor dry. Lay down a drop cloth to catch debris and small trim pieces. Loosen trim by wedging the putty knife under the edge and tapping gently with a hammer. Work along the length every 4 to 6 inches to avoid cracking surrounding tiles. Switch to the 5-inch pry bar once a gap appears and pry slowly outward. Keep prying angles low and steady to reduce leverage on tile corners. Use short, controlled taps rather than large, forceful hits to prevent breakage. Place a cloth under the pry bar tip to protect the tile surface when possible. Remove adhesive residue with a scraper, then sand with 120 grit to create a flat surface. Fill small chips using epoxy or thinset mixed to peanut butter consistency for best adhesion. Allow repair to cure for 24 hours before grouting or reinstalling new trim pieces. If larger damage exists, cut and fit a small tile patch before setting into thinset. Clean the area with a vacuum and wipe with isopropyl alcohol before finishing. Re-grout and seal the joint after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.